So hello friends, welcome back to the video. Recently a very news has come that the PUBG Indian server is banned and now we only don't have it. The application was banned lot earlier, about 2 months or 1 month earlier, but now the server is also banned. Sad news for the PUBG lovers. Okay, no issues. I think it's just a game and it's not a part of your life if you are not a YouTuber like me. So, what was I telling that if you want to try something else, then you can try Free Fire, which is a less MB game and it's nice like PUBG. If you are wanting for a high MB game with high graphics like PUBG Mobile, then Call of Duty is also good. Then I can show you gameplays of Call of Duty if you ask. And if you want Indian alternatives of PUBG Mobile, yes, PUBG also has Indian alternatives. So I think you all know about it. Like we have Master, we have Scarfall, we have Swag Shooter, we have Blood Rivals. These are all battle royale games. And Master is still not battle royale, but I think the mode will also come soon. And the game is good, Master. Yes, it is a high graphic game and it has crossed about 10 million plus downloads. I also play this game and I like it very much. It gives updates every month. That means monthly updates. I think it's very good. So one more game which you can try very nicely is wait, I'm forgetting. Yes, I remember. Is the one and only Rogue East. Yes, Rogue East is an Indian game which I think you all can try, and because it is a very nice game. Wait, let me show you a gameplay of Rogue East. See it? This is see so nicely high graphic. See the shadow was falling when the sunlight is there, and now the sunlight is not there. Shadow is there. See, there is a shade and there is no shadow. And the game is good and it is a really nice game. I think the battle royale model officially announced is done. The announcement is done that officially yes, a battle royale game will come of Rogue East. See, such a high graphic game. It is about 800 MB, so it can run on low devices. Free Fire is 618 MB, and the mode which I am playing is Brawl mode. Yes, Brawl mode. In this mode, what you have to do to see, I am carrying a bag. You have to carry the bag and you have to initiate the transfer in your mobile. It is a laptop bags, and the enemies come to steal the bag from you, and the person who initiates the highest transfer in the given time wins. So this is a very unique mode. You will not find this in PUBG or Call of Duty. It also has other modes, like if I talk about the Heist mode in US to steal cash bags from a truck. It also contains other modes, like we have the Gang War, which is like TDM, and many other modes. So you can play it. Like I am here, it is play against AI, means I'm fighting against the robots, means the artificial intelligence. So this is an easy mode, but in the new update, the mode has been made long harder. And now gyroscopes, which is found in PUBG Mobile, has been given in this mode. So what are you waiting for? Just go and download the game. It is a very, very, very nice game. So it is only in its beta version now, but still the app is really, really, really good. I think all of you can try this. So the link is not erased because the game is not yet launched. It also contains multiple pieces. So Rogue East, it is a very nice game.